All right, so this is where, yeah, you guys ready for this? All right. Look at this treasure trove of things. So after trash bags and whatnot, some of this still needs to get thrown away. But look at this treasure trove of items found. This is a Sparkle toe strap, brand new Scotch Brite, door strikers, fuel cap holder, a 3-inch V-band. These Beats these Beats with the ear attachment still in there, miscellaneous Honda parts. Some of these are easily recognizable, some of them are going to be kind of interesting to mess with. Some coins, we got a couple quarters right here. What? Let's go ahead and pocket the silver joints real quick. Okay, we've got, well, I don't even know what's in this iPhone case. What's in this iPhone case? It's not heavy enough to have a phone in, but we've got a brick and, oh, what? I'm absolutely utilizing this. All right, we've got some 90 swivel end fuel lines, -6s. We've got some longer joints right here with a separator, brake lines, LR, LF. Okay. Wow, you've got oil fill. Check this out, a nostril for a Prelude. Just one in here, interestingly enough. And I thought this one was kind of cool. You guys seen this vibrant oil cap breather? Have you guys seen these? So you can spin off that. I don't know, not very many people use them, I guess, but I always thought they were dope. And it's an oil cap, and it's also a breather. You see that? That's your breathing area, vented, and it just drops right on there. And you I don't know, I'll keep that. If anyone wants it, let me know. But yeah, this is what we have in the back. Oh, we got microfibers that were wrapped up enough that they're still perfectly clean, Costco joints, and some other ultra soft with joints that are perfectly clean. So yeah, and a baseball bat probably goes with, yeah. So this is what was in the back of the wagon. 85% of this is gonna go in the trash, but I mean, a 3-inch V-band, Scotch Brite. Oh, some workout straps, toe strap, workout straps, iPhone accessories, a Sylvania bulb. What? Oh my gosh. And then if you're into sports or protection, okay, we got the OG Viper, the Honda key. Uh-oh, you hear that? Nothing. The main relay, which, guess what? I have another one. So we're gonna have to change the main relay. You can't hear it. Oh man, okay, whatever, no big deal. Haven't ever done a car that didn't have some hiccups, so main relay. Oh, you know what? I remember I used to have this problem. Check it out. Got a Mitsuba one right here. We'll try this one, and Dan from WordWorks got some extra ones. So main relay time, so we can actually, maybe if I fuck with it a bunch of times. Okay, not. I'll be back.